Coronavirus. Coronaviruses are a type of virus, and there are many different kinds. A newly identified one has caused a respiratory illness called COVID-19 or coronavirus disease 19. COVID-19 is infectious. It may be spread from person to person. Scientists haven't seen it among humans before. The theory is that it may have jumped from an animal species into the human population and then begun spreading. The cases are increasing, over thousands had infected. COVID-19 has been detected in people throughout China and in over 100 countries. The World Health Organization declared the COVID-19 outbreak a public health emergency. What are the symptoms of COVID-19? COVID-19 symptoms include cough, fever, runny nose, shortness of breath, headache. In some rare cases, COVID-19 can lead to severe respiratory problems, kidney failure, or even death. So, how do you protect yourself from coronavirus? The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has these suggestions. Wash your hands frequently and thoroughly for at least 20 seconds. Cover coughs and sneezes with tissue, then throw the tissue in the trash. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, or mouth with unwashed hands. Clean and disinfect surfaces and objects people frequently touch.